Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum is actually doing what we wanted it to do. It did reset its wave B a little bit lower yesterday. That's what we talked about in yesterday's video, that the B wave could very well come a little bit lower, and it did that overnight. So at the moment we might just be in the finishing, getting close to the finishing line of that wave 4 here, and we're going to take a look at that. Overall, for anybody who missed previous videos, we're currently looking at a wave 2 correction, A, B, C. We already came into support here, into the 50% retracement zone. We have support between 1533 and 1754, between the 78.6 retracement and the 50% retracement for this wave 2. Now the question is just, how does this wave 2 play out? We already have the A wave complete, we have the B wave complete. We're now likely in a C wave. The C wave, I count the C wave as an ending diagonal, which means these subwaves are corrective structures, and the wave 4 could be a little bit stronger than it normally is, because you can get an overlap with wave 1, no problem. At the moment, interpretation would be that we still get another low, just because the C wave should really get 5 waves. However, I also explained to you yesterday that Bitcoin, Ethereum, they like to do WXY structures. So instead of having an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave with 5 waves, we might just get a wave W, an X wave, and a Y wave with an A, a B, and a C, which would be finished here. And then we could already break out. So that's why we always need to be ready as soon as price hits a trend reversal area where requirements, Fibonacci requirements of the setback are fulfilled. We always then need to be ready for a turnaround. But until resistance is broken, I cannot confirm it. Okay, so also until we get a 5 wave move up, I can't really confirm it. And I'm not happy with what I see here. It is technically possible to count a 5 wave move up here, but I don't believe it yet, and I want to have it on a higher time frame. So we're going to take a look at that. Important for me would be to break above resistance and show 5 waves, yeah, while doing so. But until then, another low is anticipated, possibly hitting here the area around the golden ratio 1660. Okay, so yesterday then we looked at this wave 4, which is currently playing out. Yeah, that was the idea over the weekend, to see a boring wave 4. It was a largely boring weekend. It was a wave 4 weekend most likely, okay? And the idea, so I would put the A wave here actually now. The idea was yesterday to reset B a bit lower. It did that, not massively though. So from that point of view, that was okay. And now it's pushing and possibly finally in its C wave. That might, if it really is the C wave here, that might really push against the limits of this resistance area. But as I said yesterday, even if we have a break of resistance at 1864, as long as we only have 3 waves up, this is not bullish yet. So I explained it in the Bitcoin video. What we want to see is a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. We want to see 5 waves up, and not just an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. If we have 5 waves up, we call that possible wave 1, and then we want to wait for the ABC down to say, okay, this is a wave 2, from where we could then start in a 3rd wave rally. So that's the confirmation we need. At the moment we are in resistance, and we only have an A wave, a B wave, and the C wave not even finished. So I can only see 3 waves. Yeah. From a bullish point of view, the A wave could be counted as a 5 wave move, yes, as wave 1, and the B wave as a wave 2, yes. But this is really only the same as an AB. Yeah, I want to see 5 waves. I want to see a 1, I want to see a 2, I want to see a 3, 4, and 5 above resistance to indicate we've bottomed. Again, we can have bottomed, but there's no way of confirming that at this stage. You know that we are generally bullish on Bitcoin, Ethereum. It's just that one more low would be ideal to complete the current structure. And at the moment, we haven't done anything that would tell me we're not getting that low. But, you know, we don't need to get that low. I think it's best to explain it like that. Bitcoin is very similar, and I don't think there is anything to add at this stage. So today, all eyes need to be on 1864 resistance. First of all, 1842. then 1864, 1865, and then 1889. Yeah, and if we get 5 waves through these resistances, then we really might have bottomed. Okay, but until then, it leaves the door to more downside open. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.